Hello friends, today I will explain how Scratch works. Here's a motion button, which these these blocks are. Now this is the looks. Looks. I'm on the looks button. Say this. These were the looks ones. Now I am in the sound. Play sound meow. Start sound meow. These are volume sound. This is the sound button. Now these are the events. This is the event button. These are the control button. This is the control button, and these are the control blocks. This is the sensing button, and these are the sensing blocks. This is the operator button, and these are the operator blocks. This is the variable button, and these are the variable blocks. This is the my blocks button, and here I can make a block like block name. Okay, define block name, and here block name like this. Shoo! And if I delete this define button, whatever is behind this, if you can see this little black line, and behind it everything will be deleted immediately. So I just put the define button here, and whoosh, everything was deleted. Like the define button, and done, it's deleted. And here these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 9 buttons. And here, if I press this add extension, I can place more of these, like more buttons. Music. Now there are 10. Now I can place pen button. Also I can a video sensing button, even a text to speech button, also translate button, Mickey button, here are more microbit button, just go away, microbit. And I have like Lego Mindstorm, Lego Boost, Bing Robotics, Lego Boost, and here's 2 more, Lego Education, and the last one, Gold Drag Force and Illustration. Boom. So now I have literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 buttons. That's incredible, right? So now I'm going to make the world's simplest jump. So when space clicked, if you're on phone, you can take when flag clicked. But if you're on laptop, take when space key clicked. Now get into again control, and here repeat, another repeat. you get 2 repeats. Now if you want your character to go 10 pixels up and 10 pixels down, so you can take that. But I'm going to want to make my character go 20 pixels up and 20 pixels down. So you can do 20 here, and this also 20. Now go to motions here, go down here, and here's x by 10. Look, and now put. If you are a beginner, you can check it like this by just clicking on it. Or if you're on phone, tapping on it. If it goes forward, it's not the right one. If it goes up, down, up, it's the right. So place this here and also change this to 1. And now duplicate this thing, place this here and put this here. And remember, don't put this 1 like that. Put it -1. So now if I press space, it loads like this. Very good. And if I do this 100 pixels, enter, and now zap. Oh, it will just go up and down. Now it's going back to its place. Now let me just press it again. Oh, I forgot. If it will go here, X will change like that. Not this. X will change. And if it goes here, it changes always. And height will change when it will go up and down. And here, if we click this, this is about Scratch privacy policy data setting. Here are tutorials. We can see getting started, animate a name, imagine a world, make a music, create a story, make a chase game, animate a character, make a clicker game, make it fly. And there are even more tutorials. Like here. Whee! Now back. And here there will be a button named costumes. Click on it and wow, I can now just paint this guy. Let me just, oh no, where's his neck? Let me put that back its head. Yeah. I can delete. I have deleted the whole thing. Let me just delete this all. No, everything has been deleted. I can just control that. And here's the costume too. Here will be 2 costumes. Like here. I have his body is here, his leg is there, and let me just delete his leg. Oof. His tail is like a spoon in his hand. Deleted. Ooh. His hands are sticking in his mouth. Like that. And now flip horizontally. Now it's looking that way. Flip horizontally. Now it's looking that way. Vertically. Now it's looking downwards. Now it's looking upwards. Very good, like normal. Delete. Ooh. Now everything has been deleted. Code. Again. It's invisible, so I'm just gonna draw something. Here's the sprite one again. Now, how? Whoa! No. And here's edit. Restore costume, turn on turbo mode. File. Here's this. And here you can change the language. Which it's English. Which here's English. It's English. Yay! Now here's pen. I can just set pen color here and set pen color here. So now if I press it, it will draw. If I put pen down, then it will draw. Yay, it's drawing. It is drawing now. Ooh. And now the pen is gone. Just gone. Let's go. Let's go. So if I go back here in and go in Chroma, go to the spelling Scratch and click on this link. Now don't click create, click explore. And ta-da! Here are more people's projects. So I can just play these like this. I can just hear Minecraft. I can just type here Minecraft and here is everything like paper, this single player, multiplayer, Java edition, and also we can play these. Welcome to Minecraft platform. Use keys or mobile to move. Whoa. Running jump. It can jump too. We can climb on wall. Don't fall in the lava. If you fall, we will respawn. Yay. Now try both. A bit more difficult. Try this. Good at this. Like boom, 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 boom. Yes. Up the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. And ooh. So we can play it like, and we can make it in here in our Scratch. There are so many projects. If you want to make it be see here, just click on create, like creating projects, close here, and now I have these more buttons, tutorials. It was there also, but debug, edit was there, file, settings. There wasn't settings. I can just change the color mode too, like here and original high contrast. Now it's high contrast, but normal mode original is way more effective. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more fun. Thank you. Bye bye.